Hello, and once again to another unboxing video. It's your boy, The Hunt, back again with another one of your favorite unboxing videos, I think, or whatever. So, this is not related to an unboxing. This is something I got a couple days ago. Actually, I got this about last week from a Pokemon pop-up store. I have not yet put it up, but it's going to go up somewhere in my room. It looks fucking badass. So let me just pop some there. Got some other cool random stuff. Well, I was out in Seoul, including this bad boy right here. Morgana. Can button. It's alright. Kinda wish it was like the dog tag. Maybe it's not bad, but others are cooler. Alright, so got this little bad boy from RightStuf Anime. Let's open her up. Cut. Sorry, y'all can't see this part. I know how much you really want to see me cutting open a box. Super entertaining. Alright, putting you back. There you go. Alright, here we go. Alright, hella good packing paper. With this, ooh, cool, same as here. Is this the bottom? Yep, that's bottom. Alright, so, what's in here? Could this be my fucking pre-release that I've been waiting forever for? Could be, or it could be something. Yeah. Oop, fine. It is the stuff I've been waiting for a hot minute. Hot damn. We got the RWBY Anthology number 2. Mirror Mirror. Weiss's bad boy. It's gonna be good. Yep. Ruby's was, Red Like Rose was good. This is gonna be good just as well. And what's this? No Game No Life 0. What? AKA the No Game No Life movie. Or I think it was like what, volume 6 of the light novel, which you should read. Light novel for No Game No Life. If you enjoy the show, you need to read the light novel. Trust me. There's a couple of worlds that we miss that I wish Madhouse would have done. Like, trust me, there would have been some. The Danfer world would have been cool, and fucking seeing Ghibli's world would have been fucking beast. So, we'll begin. Oh yeah. Alright. See? So, box is kind of hollow foil. See if I can take this out without ruining it. I can. Nice too. So, that's the front. This is the back. Pop it out. We got a nice little color folder, color booklet. That's some nice little concept art. Nice. Smells amazing. And now for the movie itself. We got ourselves a No Game No Life 0 sticker. I think I know you're going on something. I just don't know what change, but you're going on something. We got the limited edition. Maybe Blu-ray, maybe. Yeah, that's the Blu-ray. Yep, right there, Blu-ray. And then here is the limited edition DVD. And when you pop it out, you get the lovers. Like, alright. All in all, not bad at all. I'm pretty darn happy with what I got. And now I'm just waiting for some more. There's more stuff coming that I've not yet bucked with yet. I'm gonna leave the sticker out because I'm putting on something. I just don't know what I'm gonna put on. But I do want to put you on something. Yeah, my Pelican case. Maybe that's what's gonna go. Pelican case. That done. Decided. Alright. I guess that's all I got for right now. Y'all have a pleasant rest of your day. Or don't. I mean, I don't get paid. I don't get paid. But y'all.